activate the parasympathetic nervous system, improves vagal tone, it increases our stability and our intra-abdominal pressure, right? It does a lot of positive things, but it also has a huge relationship to both mechanically and physiologically changing our relationship from sympathetic nervous system to parasympathetic nervous system, right? So breathing's a lot of bang for your buck. So the other thing about that autonomic nervous system is it's self-tuning through sensory input. And that makes sense, right, when we think about that first picture of where the parasympathetic ganglia are. They're in the cranial nerves. What do the cranial nerves do? They operate our sensory organs of our head. Our eyes, our vestibular ocular reflex, our ears, our nose, our smell, our taste, touching to our face, our eating, right? Everything, cranial nerves.